I'm not going to call it a banger, but it's pretty close to it. If it was like 50, I'd call it a banger. It's like a supery dupery dupery good order.
We got ourselves a banger over here.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another Cruisin with Corey. It is a Saturday afternoon. We've been camping at Walmart for far too long. I don't know why I'm camping at Walmart. I've been doing really good at not doing that lately, but we just got our first order of the day, and it's not a Spark order, but there is an incentive later, $6 per order from 3 to 11, so hopefully some of those come our way. But we just got our first order, and it is not a Spark order. It is an Instacart order. I am trying to better my Instacart status, not going for Diamond Cart, but I just want the extra money from Upside. This will be my 18th order. I need 20 to get the extra 5 cents from Upside, so this will put me there. But it's actually a really good order. It's only 5 items, like a dog muzzle, and I don't know, someone, I think they have a puppy or something. So and it's only a couple miles up the street, so it shouldn't be hard to shop for. Let's go in and get it. What the heck is the difference? I don't know what the difference is, but there was a difference. Never be afraid to ask for help when you're doing a shop order. I could not find one of the items to save my life. It was like some little, I mean, like I said, they obviously have a puppy. She wanted this little doggy pacifier, and it wasn't with all the rest of the chew toys. So I sent her a picture of what it was, and then I just said, all right, the cashier's not busy. Let me ask her for help. And she's like, it should be over there. But no, we walked over to an end cap, and there it was. So I cost myself probably an extra 5 minutes, but we got everything, which means we're not going to lose any tip on this. And it's only a few minutes up the road, so let's go get it. All right, so we finished that Instacart. Again, we've been waiting about, I don't know, half hour or so. Nothing really piquing my interest on DoorDash, Instacart, Spark, but Spark did come through. And we got, I'll just say it. We got ourselves a banger over here. $63 for about, I don't even remember, like 7 miles. It is a combined, it's a decent amount of items. I think it was 48 quantity, 48 items, 73 quantity. It's about like 23 per customer. So it's going to be a tight squeeze in the cart, but we'll make it happen for 63 bucks. It'll catch us up and help our hourly rate. So I'm going to go in. I don't take you into Walmart because technically Walmart is a no recording store, so you're not supposed to record in there, and it's not worth me getting deactivated because of y'all. I like y'all, but I don't like you that much. But when we're done shopping with this and turning down things and shutting them off and blah blah blah, we'll drop it off. All right, that shop took, I don't know, let's just check. If you don't know how to check how long it took you to do a shop, what you do is you go into your chat, it'll tell you when you started shopping, and then it'll tell you when you hit review, summary, and confirmed the order. So for me, 132 to 206. That's about a half-hour shop. Right now it's 2:16, so it took me 10 minutes to bag it out in the car. And now we're on our way to the first customer, who's not that far away. Again, only 5.7 miles for both. Only had a couple substitutions, most of which got approved or rejected and didn't really put up a fight. So let's go about 2 miles, drop this first one off. So by the time this one finishes, it'll be just in time. 2:32 is our estimated drop-off. 3 o'clock starts the +6. So this will actually work out pretty well for us to be able to get another order and hopefully have it count. So I'm probably not going to take anything Spark from 2:30 to 3 unless I just can't resist, because I'd rather have +6. All right, we waited way too long, but we're back and rolling now. Got ourselves a DoorDash order. It's 25 for 10, only 3 items, 4 quantity at Stop and Shop, and we are in Stop and Shop a ton. Wait, hold the phone here. No, we're good. DoorDash said you didn't confirm the order, but it's on my screen. It is just a bunch of meat. It is Nature's Promise meat, ground turkey, and eggs. So, oh, we got an add-on. Okay. $6 for 1.6 miles for 3 small items. So I'm waiting for the map to load. Actually, it doesn't even matter. You know, we're going to take it and we're going to experiment, because I always feel like when an order comes up as $6 as an add-on, that it's usually always more than that. Like it's a hidden tip. So we'll test the logic out here, but let's go to Stop and Shop. We're now on a $32 stack. DoorDash, I appreciate you trying. DoorDash, but I'm looking for crackers, and the picture says that it's in the ice cream fridge. You're trying, but you ain't right yet. That's literally it. The fact that this is paying $31 is absolutely crazy. Super quick trip, super quick shop. I can't believe I'm getting paid $31 for this. 1 mile to the first customer. Route. Let's go. All right, well, I was wrong. $6 was $6. $3 tip, $3 base pay. $3 base pay on a shopping order is ridiculous. It was only 4 items, but anyways, we're getting bombarded with Uber orders. But we ain't taking them now. We gotta drop this off. All right, a lot of time has elapsed. I've fallen into my old habits of... speak English, Corey. I've fallen into my old habits of just waiting for Spark orders and turning down food. which I have been doing a really good job of not doing lately, but today I have been. But anywho, we just got ourselves a Spark order, and it's a damn good one. I'm not going to call it a banger, but it's pretty close to it. If it was like 50, I'd call it a banger. It's like a supery dupery good order. It's basically $45, 7 miles, double shop. It's only like 30 combined items though. And then we're also going to get the +6 incentive. So it's really $51. So I guess, does that make it a banger? Yes, but no. I'm not using the incentive to call it a banger, but let's go in and get it done. All right, that shop was pretty easy. Let's see how long it took. I don't know, guys. I really don't. This will be my last order of the night. I don't feel good right now. Part of something that I need to work on for these as it gets warmer outside is hydration. I think I'm dehydrated right now. 4:59 to 5:21. So that shop did not take too long at all. And the addresses are relatively easy to get to. Something I recommend that I didn't do today, bring extra waters with you when it gets warmer out. And also, they have those hydration packets that you can mix in with water. I think like Liquid H, I think, is one of them. Definitely want to get those. I didn't do it last summer. I don't feel good, but I feel good enough to deliver these orders. But let's go. All right, guys, we dropped that one off. I'm going to really rush through this outro because I do not feel good right now. I'm literally about to pull off on the side of the street and just sit there until this headache goes away. So here's what we made in I don't even know how long, but worked out to be a good day. Very rare day that Spark gives me good orders. Got that good DoorDash order too. Did some Instacart. Nice, well-rounded day. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Appreciate all you guys for being along with me on another ride along. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.
It sound right, boys.